G'day guys, today I got my 99 GU Patrol Rd28 and I'm going to be showing you one of the best upgrades that I've made. Just a little rundown on this thing. I'm running 285/75 R16s for tyres, 2-inch lift that's more than likely sagged lower, 3-inch all the way through with a hot dog muffler and a high flow dump pipe. I'm also running just a pod filter at the moment while I'm waiting on buying a airbox. Now, before we go any further, I did want to say that the chip is only for the GU, as the GQ came out factory with a mechanical pump. Alrighty guys, here is the chip itself. All the wires just plug into the ECU. When you first get under this, there will be this plastic cover, pop that off, and there's a 10mm bolt up in there. So once you pop that 10mm bolt off, the whole thing pops out and you'll be able to connect up the wires. The module has 9 different modes on here. I have found personally that 5 is the max fuel that it can handle without stalling, but it's still over the top fuel wise, so I run it on 3 for everyday driving and I find that pretty good power wise. They are pretty cheap, I believe less than $900. I picked it up for $200 on Marketplace. Alright guys, now a little rough 0 to 100. I'm still running stock boost, so this is nothing other than the air filter, exhaust and chip. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've got any more questions about the chip, just let me know. Overall, couldn't recommend a power upgrade anymore for the price. I've had mine for probably a month now and it's going really good. Could not be happier. So if you've got any more questions, just let me know.